and welcome. I'm Sarah with GotSafety here with today's lesson, What Not to Do During an Emergency. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Emergencies can be high-stress and scary experiences. Due to the heightened stress, employees may not make the best decisions when it comes to the safety of their co-workers or themselves. To avoid making the wrong decisions, employees should become familiar with their company's emergency action plan. This lesson will cover the general principles of what not to do during an emergency. Please keep in mind there is not a one-size-fits-all approach to every emergency. What is provided here are some general guidelines on what not to do during an emergency. Employees should read and understand their company's emergency action plan, as that will provide the do's and don'ts for specific emergencies. See our emergency action plan lesson in our GotSafety lesson library for more information. After knowing what your emergency action plan entails and what to do, when an emergency occurs, employees should not do the following. All injuries should be taken seriously, and employees should follow all evacuation procedures when emergency alarms are sounded. Do not use the elevator during an emergency. Some employees may think that the elevator is quicker than taking the stairs. Elevators can take longer than walking, and they are not protected against fire. Employees should always use the stairs when evacuating a building. Do not try to fight a fire without proper training. When a fire occurs, employees may reach for the fire extinguisher and attempt to stop the fire, even if they don't know how to use it. Employees who are not trained to use a fire extinguisher could be putting their own life and the life of rescue personnel in danger if they attempt to fight a fire instead of evacuating.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.